Yeah, so finishing off with the auto tune, man. Do people tell you that it's hard to hear you sometimes on some parts, or? Nah, I
Yeah,
think that's what actually makes it unique. Sometimes.
I was gonna start putting like some subtitles or some shit on that motherfucker.
Oh,
You know what
okay,
I'm saying? Just put some shit
okay.
in the video
I
sometimes.
don't give a fuck. What I be like,
Yeah.
biker.
Yeah.
I be riding that shit. I don't give a fuck. Shit, that shit sound good, man. Um, do you feel like you a big inspiration to the city? You know what I'm saying? Like, do you feel like you feel like
Hell
you
yeah.
know what I'm
Hell
saying?
yeah. I feel like a big inspiration,
I
bro.
feel like you a big
I came
inspiration to
home,
the city.
I was hearing the nice little sounds and shit. That shit made
Mm-hmm.
me feel a certain type of way. I feel good. Certain
Mm-hmm.
niggas might come home hating. Niggas
Mm-hmm.
sound like me. Man, what? Nigga, that's a good thing. What are you talking about?
Right.
Yeah, so.
Another thing I wanted to just bring up about your music, you know what I'm saying? You ain't really gotta get into much detail. Your artwork, all your artwork is nice as a bitch. It ain't simple as a motherfucker. Like, it's unique. Is it done by a different artist every time, or do you
I don't
stick with
even.
one person?
I really stick with two. I stick with my
Because
little
that's what
bro.
they kind of all kind of do. Got that feel, but them
Yeah.
motherfuckers go hard.
Yeah.
I'm talking about all the way from. Damn, what's the name of that first one? In 2019, I seen. What's the name of it? Do you
With
know?
the high speed music or something
Nope,
like that.
nope. It was Overflow.
Overflow. Oh, that was shout out for Trey Gang. He made that.
Overflow is cold. All the way from Overflow, all the way to the Mud Rats. Like them
He made
covers.
that one too. Yeah.
See, look,
Yeah.
them covers is
Fire.
beastie, bro.
Yeah, he fired.
And that's what I was telling. That's what I was listening to earlier. You and Osa,
Ashi.
Ashi.
Yeah.
Shout out to Ashi, bro. You
That's
nice, my
good.
nigga.
Yeah, that's
You
good.
nice. Shout out to Ashi, bro.
He
That's
fired.
a nice little project,
Motherfuckers
bro.
gonna hear him. Y'all gonna hear him for sure.
Yeah, Mud Rats, man. Tap
Yeah,
tap
in
into
on
that.
Yeah.
So you made a lot of music throughout the years, bro.
Yeah,
A lot of music, dog.
I
A
didn't
lot of.
record like at least 3 times a day. I
Mm.
don't even care if I just record one time, leave the studio. I'm going back.
I'm talking about we can go on and on, bro. From countless hits from the years back all the way to now, my nigga. I'm
Yeah.
talking about you got hits. Everybody, I'm talking about nigga. I've been in the club and your shit come right on. And they play another song of yours, another song of yours. And you know, I ain't lying.
Yeah.
You know I ain't lying, dog.
Yeah,
So
Spending my shit.
yeah, for sure, dog. So you know, any big features coming up, you know, on some projects and shit coming up soon, or
Shit, I got some shit with Chicken. We got a mixtape.
okay.
Should I probably fuck with 600 Breezy on some shit?
Mm.
Yeah,
We'll get to that.
Yeah, I fuck with YSR Grams. I'm gonna drop the song we got. Holla at bro, let him know if I do that. Yeah, I got some shit.
Speaking of just music that you put out, one of my favorites so far. A lot. I mean, you got a lot, but man, Powered On, dog.
Yeah,
I'm talking
bag
about.
on that one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I feel that. You know, cause as soon as I turn my shit on, my shit get the ringing.
Yeah.
I already know how that feel. You know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers want interview, motherfuckers want this, they want juice cards, they want woo, they want everything, you know what I'm saying? It's hard for me to keep up with everybody, so you know, y'all gotta be patient, man. We be working hard, man, but anyway, back to the point, man. Powered on. Hard, man. She one of your lyrics, you said, she count 50 for me.
Yeah. Ooh, that turned her on.
Right, turn her on, you know what I'm saying?
This nigga have emotion.
Yeah, I like that. And then, you know what I'm saying? Then you come back with the, we eating lamb chops and you got chops and the lambs. And I'm going to eat, I love lamb chops, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to give you some after this motherfucker right there.
Yeah.
You fuck with the lamb chops?
Fuck with the lamb chops. I'm going to just go for the salmon today, though.
Okay, that's what's up.
Yeah, you know.
I fuck with this. He sound like me. Don't worry, though. Yeah, you see, type, you the same type.
Yeah.
You fuck with Chef Skull?
Yeah.
Ah, look at that. Yeah, shout out to Chef Skull, man.
That trio.
That trio, man. Look, you sound just like me, dog.